me go for one day. Let me lose myself again. Give me something for the pain. Always trying to pretend that I'm not living just...
Hey you guys, welcome back to Natara Space. I am Natara, and today I am going to bring you a quick clean with me. Today I will be in my kitchen getting it all cleaned up, as well as my dining room, you guys. So if this is something that interests you, please come along with me while I clean up this mess in this kitchen and this dining room. As you can see, we are already in the kitchen. I am cleaning off of the countertops first. I am actually doing it reverse because I usually will start out with my dishes, you guys. So I'm just going to start out over here cleaning off this counter, making sure that I put everything in its proper place.
Someone help me see it. Someone help me free this spirit. Don't wanna think about the past. I'm crying out behind a mask. So give me something for the...
I would like to introduce myself for whoever is new, and thank you guys so much for choosing to be a part of my YouTube family. My name is Natara, and over here I like to do cooking, cleaning, organization, and anything that pertains to mom life. And also on Wednesday nights I have Wednesday night prayer. So if that's something that interests you, please consider subscribing to my channel. I would love to have you as a part of my YouTube family. And right here, you guys, I'm just using this Spic and Span lavender antibacterial cleaner. I picked it up from Family Dollar Store, and this is what I'm going to use throughout my video, except for in my dining room, you guys. So I'm using this to clean the countertops off, as well as I will be using it to spray down the appliances. I don't know if I put this in this video or not, but I did spray down the appliances with the same exact spray.
Someone help me free this feeling. Someone help me see. Oh, someone help me free this feeling.
Also, you guys, please let me know about down below if you are enjoying my videos on Sunday, Monday, and Thursday. So let me know if it's something that you would like to see, and I will do my best to get it out for you guys. But yeah, thank you guys so much for just, you know, being so genuine and kind, always watching my videos. I appreciate you guys so much. Okay, I'm going to stop talking now. I have been babbling long enough, so I'm just going to let this video continue to play. I hope that you guys enjoy this video. The rest of it is going to basically be self-explanatory, you guys. Yeah, so I really want you guys to enjoy this video, enjoy the music. If you got something to do, just come on along and clean with me. But for now, you guys, let's enjoy this music.
I'm writing rhymes in the kitchen, soaking in moments we live in, yeah. You got the nerve to be on me, faking your life at IG. If you got my number, don't add me, cause baby, I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. Baby, don't check for me. Taking time out to be and live my life off screen. Taking time out to be and live my life. Hey. Taking just don't be and live my life. Don't take it personal. We just building, it's my season, lay foundation, make a name for generations, please and make a, then take a break or a little vacation and chasing blues away. Hey, hey. You always posting a picture like you always be working, soaking the moments you live in. Yeah, you got the nerve to be on me, faking your life for the IG. If you got my number, don't add me, 'cause baby, I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. Baby, don't check for me. Taking time out to be and live my life off screen. Taking time out to be and live my life. I'm in a place serene and pure and free. Hey, I ain't worried about what's the wave, only worry about me. Yeah. Oh, I'm taking time out to be and live my life off screen. Taking time out to be and live my life.
I've been feeling emotional, thinking about you, babe. What can we focus on? What we should do? Tell me the truth, 'cause I don't wanna see you with somebody else. And I've been feeling lonely in this king-size bed. I'm trying not to worry about the things you say. I ain't got the time, you're always on my mind. Baby, why you playing with my love? I'm trying to be patient with you now. I'll never be sober if you don't pull me closer. Look me in my eyes and tell me how. I'm hypnotized. I'm hypnotized. I've been feeling delusional, thinking about us, babe. Your body's so beautiful. All I want is your love, can't get enough. 'Cause I don't wanna see you with somebody else. And I've been feeling lonely in this king-size bed. I'm trying not to worry about the things you say. I ain't got the time, you're always on my mind. Baby, why you playing with my love? I'm trying to be patient with you now. I'll never be sober if you don't pull me closer. Look me in my eyes and tell me how. I'm hypnotized. I'm hypnotized. Baby, why you playing with my love? I'm trying to be patient with you now. I'll never be sober if you don't pull me closer. Look me in my eyes and tell me how. I'm hypnotized. I'm hypnotized.
Okay, you guys, we have made our way into the dining room. I'm just going to take this orange glow and clean this tabletop, and then I will vacuum the floor, but you will not see me mop it because the kids mopped the floor that day. So yeah, you guys, and this will be the end of the video. But thank you guys so much for coming back for another video. Thank you so much for everything that you do. and supporting my channel. And also, you guys, before you go, please don't forget to hit that like button, share this video, and also turn your post notification and make sure that you're subscribed so that you'll be notified every time I upload. And I will see you guys in Sunday's video. Bye, guys.
I could finally see bringing out the best in me, yeah. I don't want no problems, but I know I got a lot of work to do. Baby, I'm not perfect, but I know I'm worth it, working out my issues with you, with you. Crutches, I be holding crutches, can't let go of any mistakes. Distant, sometimes I get distant, stay away as long as it takes. Forgive my attitude, I need my cake and eat it too, but a little time will be enough for me to prove. Baby, you the remedy. You're my mirror, I can finally see, bringing out the best in me, yeah. I don't want no problems, but I know I got a lot of work to do. Baby, I'm not perfect, but I know I'm worth it, working out my issues with you, with you. My highs and my lows, it's part of being human. Can you weather the storm? I'm starting to believe you can, 'cause baby, you the remedy. You're my mirror, I could finally see, bringing out the best in